Hello, we're back.
Hi guys, it's a beautiful day. So scattered things. Mike Francis for EMWAN TV. Here we go guys with another edition of our project. So right now guys, we're having a new fixing, or let's just say we're going to invent something. And where's that? Let's take a look at. So what's this one guys? This is a homemade or DIY C-clamp. So this is made out of scrap materials. This is a sprocket actually guys. Kinonvert natin siya into C-clamp instead of buying in the hardware. So we just decided to invent something. Actually guys, nakita natin to sa YouTube, so parang inadapt lang natin siya. I think this is much more better kasi matibay ang bakal nito guys compared sa mga nabibili usually. Nasisira ka agad, nababali kasi pundido. Pero ito guys, matigas na steel ito. Sprocket. Here we go. Saan ba yung pyesa? Here we go guys, yan. Yan yung original na form yan guys. We just cut it into 2 pieces. At yan ang naging outcome. So pertaining sa materials na nagamit guys, we have here a bolt and a nut. We have there a piece of flat iron. So tatapusin na natin to guys. All we have to do right now na is ilalagay na natin yung parang pinaka press nya, kaya ito yung magsisilbing pinaka press ng C-clamp na ito. And how are we going to do that guys, kasi ito, this one is supposed to be, kailangan yan na freely na gumagalaw. So that would be our next project. So Mike Francis will be right back for this one. This is just a glimpse of my DIY project. Na-adapt lang natin, napanood natin guys. And this is Mike Francis for metal crafting. I'll be back for more. Have a good day. So hi guys, it's a beautiful day. So finally guys, we're done with our project. This is the DIY C-clamp using scrap materials. So using this one sprocket of a motorcycle and bolt plus a nut. Okay, this is already done guys, o finish na ito, pero still in-apply natin yung napanood natin sa YouTube. So sinunod natin yung process guys, gumamit din tayo ng mga materials. Although nung natapos na guys is medyo mayroon na akong isang comment kasi doon sa may original na design ito guys, this one lang, ito lang mismo sprocket, pero nung ginagamit ko sa guys parang kaya niyang i-bend, so nagbe-bend siya. So what I did is a additional reinforcement, o nagpalakas tayo dito guys, naglagay tayo ng round bar dito at saka dun sa may taas at saka baba para maging medyo mas malakas siya, kasi kung wala siyang brace guys is mahina siya, magbe-bend, hindi mo magagamit. So if I had to grade, siguro yung mga project na natapos na yun, although nag-views siya ng 1 million views, for me it's just a portion of 70% kasi nagawa nga siya pero parang meron siyang konting defect o kaya meron siyang dapat improvein. So I'm not saying na mas magaling ako doon, pero we just follow the process, gumamit tayo ng same materials, and we discover na hindi pa lahat napapanood sa YouTube pag in-apply mo, malalaman mo kung ano talaga yung problema o katotohanan. So merong kailangang ayusin. So guys, my congrats for EMWAN TV. Right back for my videos later on. Have a good day. Bye bye.